morning and I'm all packed up. I'm just waiting for my Uber to come. This is my airport look, wearing my Yeezys, my Lululemon leggings with a Champion hoodie, and then underneath I have this like pretty little thing tank top. Okay, this is the first look of the night. We're going to dinner. We just got in. We got ready pretty fast, and I'm wearing this dress from Revolve by the brand Super Down. This one is a size double extra small, and the straps are like super long. So what I did here was I sewed it down and kind of just tucked it underneath. Also, the earrings are by this wholesaler called LA Jewelry House that I got it from. They're these like beaded big statement earrings.
I can't say I never knew better, no, 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 no. Had you, think I gotta had you. All your exes answers, cause somehow I just begged you. Question, girl, I'm glad to. Fuck you till you come, girl, I'm glad to.
Second look of the night. This one-piece dress is from Danielle GUIZIO from New York. It's this like corset mesh dress, and then I got these bottoms from Amazon. They're just these like high-waisted bikini bottoms.
His intention. He said he's a good nigga, he's a good nigga, he's a good nigga. No, 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 no. Wait, like I quit. No, 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 no. No if, no ands, no buts, no whatsoever. We can't say I never knew better. No, 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 no. Act like I don't know. I guess whatever, but I can't promise I'll do better. No, but I know. Every nigga want a bad bitch. Everyone wanna match it. No one's a bad bitch. Starting money pretty high. Every nigga want a bad bitch. Everyone wanna match it. No one's a bad bitch. Starting money pretty high. Every nigga want a bad bitch. Everyone wanna match it. No one's a bad bitch. Starting money pretty high. Fuck the Uber, I'm a cabin. Calling me to say you want this. You lonely, I don't think I'm magic. Fuck me, I know you a savage. Feeling like a dance like a motherfucking cat. Girl, don't keep no secrets for me. Who did you feel that I gotta shake hands with? If we not standing, if I don't wanna stand it, I'm not romantic, I'm not with the antics. No, 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 no. Damn, I wish I took that slow. Yeah, yeah.